Okay, with the help of Biot-Savart law, we will find out magnetic field at the center of circular current carrying coil. Okay, this is current carrying coil. Current carrying. Okay, now this is a coil. Okay, in this current is flowing like this. Okay, this is center of this circular coil. Now at the center of circular coil, due to this current carrying coil, direction of magnetic field will be inward. Okay, you can use right hand thumb rule or clock rule also. I will explain it later. Okay, so direction of magnetic field at this point. Now what we do, we take magnetic field due to a current element dl, and we draw from the dl to the center a position vector r. Okay, this position vector makes angle 90 degree with r. dl and r makes 90 degree angle here. Okay, now we write here that the magnetic field at the center, magnetic field at the center of circular coil due to current element dl dB equal to mu naught I dl sine 90, theta is 90 upon 4 pi r square. Okay, so this will be mu naught upon 4 pi I dl upon r square. Okay, now the magnetic field due to a complete circular coil. So magnetic field, what we will do, we will integrate it. So magnetic field due to coil dB equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl upon r square. Okay, mu naught upon 4 pi I and r square, these all are constant here. So mu naught I upon 4 pi r square. Okay, and integration of dl, so it will be mu naught I upon 4 pi r square. Now current element dl, so integration of this here, that will be how much? That is the sum of length, the complete length actually of this coil. Complete length of this circular coil will be 2 pi r circumference. So we write here in place of integral dl 2 pi r. This is B, magnetic field, net magnetic field. Now this will be 2 pi mu naught I upon 2 r. Okay, if there are number of turns n, if n number of turns, total number of turns, then B will be equal to mu naught n I upon 2r. So by this formula we will find out magnetic field at the center of a circular coil.